I have connected the raspberry the LED through a resistor to GP4 pin on the Pico and use ground here. So see, this is coming from GP4 going through the resistor and going into the anode of LED, and the cathode of the LED is connected through this brown wire, which is connected to the ground of the Pico. Okay, now this is the simple code for running it. So we are importing a library called machine, then we are importing a library called utime for delay. So we are first telling it that we have a LED pin, and we are saying that machine dot pin. This function says that fourth number pin is output pin. Then we are if then we are executing this instruction which says the LED pin, change the LED pin's value to 1, which means high, and this value will turn it on. Then we are saying it that to go to sleep for 2 seconds, means that create a delay of 2 seconds. So it will turn on for 2 seconds, and then we are telling it uh, to to change the value to 0. Value to 0, and it will then turn off the LED. So let's see how. If I press over here, and so it is turned on for 2 seconds and then turned off. If I now again press the uh, F5 button, I going to see 2 seconds it will be turned on, and then it will turn off. You can read about this in this blog post over here, how to use GPIO of Raspberry Pi Pico.